Hello guys, we are currently on claim number 0789475712. Again, that is claim number 0789475712. We are currently attempting to assist Mr. and Mrs. Una Jefe, located here in Cartersville, Georgia, where we're going to be actually attempting to prepare one of the few shingles here. I believe it was over 9 that were approved from Allstate due to wind damage, and we're going to be attempting to repair this particular shingle. As you can see here, it actually starts here, ends there. I'm going to be attempting to do that with this insurance approved tool here. As you can see, it's a snake bar, and I'm gonna be as careful as possible when doing this repair here. And again, as you can see right now, none of the shingles around its perimeter are affected. I'm going to see if we're going to be able to keep it that way. See if it'll go through a repair attempt. And we are going to be here attempting to be as careful as possible in removing the shingle. So one issue we're already dealing here is some mat transfer. There's some mat transfer right there on that shingle. Again, we're attempting to be as careful as possible here. Now just pay attention to all these granules, how they all lose traction. You see all those granules just racing down. And we haven't even removed the shingle yet. We're finally able to remove that shingle. Now we do have a few nails here to retrieve. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nails that we're going to have to try to get back here. We do need to make sure all those nails are out of the perimeter. You know, what ends up happening is that we'll have nail pops, or we'll have nails in the way that won't let us tuck in that new shingle. So we do need to make sure all these nails are out of the way. Again, we are attempting here to be as careful as possible. We'll make sure all these nails are out of the way. Again, we are here being as gentle as possible, trying to limit how much we bring up the shingle. Now it looks like we would be able to tuck in that new shingle now. See, I had mentioned if we don't remove all the nails, we won't be able to tuck in the new shingle. So it looks like, feels like we have another nail here on its way. to actually had a nail in the way there. Okay, so we're able to tuck in that new shingle here. Now let's go in and hammer it in. Now we're going to be using these beautiful 3/4 inch nails. You know, helps us bring up the shingle very little. Limits how much we have to actually bring up that shingle. And just pay attention to those granules. You can hear them just racing down whenever we're nailing down that new nail. Now we do need to make sure we put up all the nails that were currently removed, not just the 3 nails for that shingle, but all the nails that were removed, because if we don't put those nails back, the shingles right above will be blown right off by the wind. So again, we need to make sure all the nails are back. We removed quite a bit here. You can see we removed one right there, one right here. So again, we need to make sure they're all back. There's quite a bit actually. Again, if we don't put those nails back, those shingles are prone to be blown off real easily with the next wind. And there, I already know that all these shingles have that problem here. Well, we did remove 9 nails. We need to make sure that about 9 nails are back to here. So make sure all the nails are back, protecting these shingles that are right above. So it looks like we're able to put up all the nails that are necessary. Now we're going to go back and look at our roof. Now there has been new creases and new damage created that weren't previously there. As for one, you can see this new crease that wasn't previously there right there. You can see this crease right here as well. This crease wasn't there. There's a new crease right there. As you can see there, due to those areas, I would actually not be able to warranty this repair. You know, new creases have been created when repairing this roof. So this is why I would actually deem this roof non-repairable. We would have the same results for all the other 9 shingles that were approved in all slopes. So again, this is why I would not be able to warranty this repair and deem this roof non-repairable.